It's time now to begin with the award ceremony. Requesting Gaurav sir to kindly welcome our special guest, Mr. Sanjay Talkokul sir, Chief Trainer of Midcon Mumbai District, with a bouquet, a shawl and a memento. Kindly give a huge round of applause everyone for our special guest. Aladi Aruna Public School to kindly come on stage. It's been awarded for Best Emerging School of the Year. Coming on stage is Miss Kavita Senthil ma'am. She is winning the award for Best Faculty in Ad Hoc and Wireless Sensor Network of the Year. Before starting with the award ceremony, we all have heard such an inspiring journey from Kavita ma'am. She is an example of sheer hard work, determination, and we have learned a lot from you, ma'am. Heartiest congratulations to you. And I, Varsha Shrivastava, your host for the day, will be the moderator for the panel discussion too as well. So, from the topic itself, we can very well understand that we'll discuss about the role of teacher in the field of education. So, first question to you, sir, is what do you think, according to you, is the role of a teacher in the field of education? Do you think that teachers are getting proper all the facilities when it comes to imparting the education, or there are few challenges that the teachers are facing today?
Away from the framework of the academic, and that should be coming out.
Definitely. So with this, we have got the answer that the future of education, as we all have seen, when COVID came, we all have seen a drastic change in education. And to teach the students of these changes, we had to teach the teachers first. So when it comes to providing proper training to the teachers, here's my question, sir. So what are the training modules that are being followed when it comes to teacher training program? This was the panel discussion too, and we have discussed the role of the teacher, the challenges, how we can overcome those challenges, the role of not only the teacher, but the role of the management as well. Can we have a huge round of applause for all the panelists, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much, sir. After the award ceremony, after the panel discussion, it's time now to call all the awardees for a group photograph.